It's an amazing, inspiring, real life story of an ordinary man from the poorest of the poor background who made the impossible possible. Uh, he actually broke a mountain for love. He carved out a path through a mountain, spending 22 years of his life with just a hammer and a chisel. This kind of an amazing, inspiring story is a rare story to tell. So when I heard about this story and read about it in the newspapers when he died about 6-7 years ago, I realized what an amazing story it was, and decided it was a story worth telling and sharing it with the rest of the world. So that is why this film. We did all the necessary research before doing this film. We read up everything that was written about Dashrath Manjhi. We saw all the documentary films and newsreel footage that was available of him, as well as we went to the village and met his family members and people who knew him, and talked to them about and interviewed them about Dashrath Manjhi, and then after that managed to write a script. So we did all the necessary research that was possible. He's a fantastic actor. I think he's a very versatile actor, he's a very sensitive actor, and he's a very committed actor. And he dived into the role with all that he had, and he has given a brilliant performance. So I'm very happy to have worked with Nawaz, and I think it's a great role that he has played. I think the audience is changing dramatically over the years. I think it is demanding new kind of cinema. A wide variety of films are being made. And I think this kind of a film, which is so inspiring and so amazing, and the fact that it's one of the greatest love stories that I've come across in my life, I think a wide variety of audiences, and especially the youth of today, will enjoy this story, and it will inspire them. Unfortunately, Dashrath Manjhi died in 2007, and I couldn't meet him. But I've met his son, I've met his family members, and all the people around there in the village. I think this film will be really appreciated by the youth of today and a large section of the audience. The film has amazing ensemble cast along with Nawaz. Nawazuddin, of course, plays Dashrath Manjhi. His wife is played by Radhika Apte, who has also given a brilliant performance, and she's a wonderful actress. And along with that, there are some wonderful new actors like Pankaj Tripathi, Prashant Narayanan, Gaurav Dwivedi, who have also given an incredible role, and a wonderful director of Pan Singh Tomar, Tigmanshu Dhulia, has also done a very major and important role in the film. The film is just complete, but I'm sure the audiences all over the world will appreciate this story.